Welcome to Sino Troubleshooter Vlogs. Today, I'm going to show how to install Ethernet cable, RG45 connectors, and engine room camera. It's final. The result of installation.
Welcome to my next vlog. Now I'm going to install Ethernet cable from engine control room going to engine room. So I'm going to demonstrate how it connect this RG45 connector. I've installed the Ethernet cable inside from engine control console. This is it. This cable going there. Fix the cable. Going down, and here I've drilled hole here. It's going down. After pass here in engine room, going up to proceed with our camera and going there to install the camera and ready with Ethernet cable. To proceed with the connection, make sure you have this RG45 tester and RG45 plier, and of course it's RG45 connector. This is the way how to test the cable if it is connected correctly. So there are 8 cables inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in actual situation must be same. This is how the width. Careful now with the color coding. From right to left, it's stripe orange, stripe green, blue, stripe blue, green, stripe brown, and brown. Ready to insert. Cut first the cable. Must be like this. That's it. Ready to check your connection by pushing. After grip this special tool, RG45 plier, so to make sure it's tight. It's tight. Also from engine inside, RG45 connector. So that's it. Stripe orange, stripe green, blue, stripe blue, green, stripe brown, and brown. That's it. Ready to connect. Push first before to tight with the plier. That's it. After grip. Ready to test. About to finish the installation, it is necessary to double check this Ethernet cable if it is connected properly using with this RG45 cable tester. Let's see. Terminal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's confirmed that this cable connected properly. From engine room side, the other one RG45 connector. Let's see. Terminal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So everything is ready now, ready to fix. So this cable, it will be connected here. This is what we call the local area network hub. And the other side, this is the engine room camera. Once the fabrication it's finished, it will be fixed at the engine room ceiling. So the other one, RG45 connector, will be also connected here. It's now connected with our new engine room camera. Check what's going on in our main engine. So before to finalize, to connect, double check this RG45 tester. So terminal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I'm going to connect. Everything now secured, the cable, and with electrical tape, this connector, to avoid any accumulated dirt. And that's it, our engine room camera. I hope you learn more from this channel. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Final check here in engine control room to make sure 100% working all the connections. Terminal number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's really confirmed that all are connected correctly. After connected now here from local area network switching hub, and that's all. I finished my installation. Thank you for watching.